Mixed numbers can feel confusing at first, but today I'll show you a simple visual trick called M.A.D that helps make these problems easier. And so this says Maria baked 2.5 trays of brownies. Each tray makes 1 1/4 boxes for a school fundraiser. How many boxes can Maria make? So go ahead and pause the video and try this out first. All right, well, before multiplying mixed numbers, we need to change them into improper fractions. So as you can see here, we have M.A.D. And M means multiply, A means add, D means denominator. And so we multiply, add, and keep the denominator. So we have this first mixed number, 2 1/2, and we're going to use M.A.D. That means we have this denominator of 2 being multiplied to this whole number of 2. So this is your M for multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. So we're going to take that product of 4 and we're going to add it to the numerator of 1. So this is your A for add. And 4 plus 1 equals 5. And then you keep that denominator of 2. So 2 1/2 becomes 5/2. Multiply that by 1 1/4. We're going to use M.A.D on 1 1/4 as well. So take the denominator 4, multiply it by the whole number of 1, which is 4. So again, this is you multiplying. 4 times 1 is 4. Take that product of 4, and you're going to add it to the numerator of 1. And that is 5. And keep the denominator of 4. And that becomes 5/4. So we have 5/2 times 5/4. Next, you're going to multiply the numerators, and then you're going to multiply the denominators. Okay, so multiplying across the numerators is 5 times 5 is 25. Multiplying across the denominators, 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 25/8, which is an improper fraction, but we need to convert it back. So to change it back into a mixed number, we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. So ask yourself, how many groups of 8 fit into 25? Okay, so just let's go ahead and write this out. We have 25 divided by 8. So 8 goes into 25 3 times because 8 times 3 is 24. And so we have 1 left over. Okay? So the quotient becomes the whole number, which is 3. And the remainder becomes the numerator, which is 1. And of course, you keep your denominator of 8. So how many boxes can Maria make? Well, that is answer choice B, 3 1/8, final answer. And I will leave you with this. As far as a tip, mixed numbers become easier when we convert them into improper fractions first. And I would say common mistakes that you should be aware of are forgetting the denominator, multiplying before converting, and multiplying whole numbers and fractions separately. So keep practicing and stay tuned for more calm, clear math lessons right here on MathByTV.